You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm here for this. I'm here for this. Okay. Anyway. Am I done? Yeah, I'm done. Gang. Okay. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cooks, and welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys to a food/drink tasting. No, actually no, food tasting. And I mean, I've been to like 2 food tastings in Abuja and they've been pretty awesome, like pretty well put together. So today I'm taking you guys to another food tasting. So without further ado, let us go, and when we get there I'll show you all everything they have. So why are we tasting the food? Why are we tasting the food? I beg.
Help your soul.
Hi, Zanku. Hey, come on. Hey. So where are we eating? Hi guys, so we are here for the food tasting, and we're not at the restaurant, we're actually at the chef's house. And yeah, it's like a private food, so stay tuned. Embarrass yourself, dear. So wait, are you guys serious? Yeah, embarrass yourself.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an almost rain, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back just like a
Hey! Content. You guys forgive this vlog, man. It's going to be all over the place, but I feel like it's more of us having fun. Supposed to. Because we need this light, dear. Please, dear. So we have Debbie behind. I don't think you've seen her on my channel before. So I'm going to be leaving her link down as well, so you guys can subscribe.
Thanks,
and you know, like she's now a regular. I'm not regular, like. Please let me come and introduce myself.
Thanks, loves.
Hi. So we're actually waiting for the food to get here. Like, Hey guys, so I had to sneak to the kitchen so I could talk to you guys because the noise in the living room is actually a lot. So basically, as you guys have seen, the food is a lot, like it filled the whole table, and I'm really excited to be trying everything. I'm going to be trying each and every food on that table, you guys. Trust me, I'm not here to play. But stay tuned for the vlog and let's go and eat. Hi guys, so basically this is my plate, and to be honest, I don't know everything in here, but I know we have some croutons, I know we have a burger, we have sausages, we have chicken wings, drumsticks, shrimp rather, then 2 different types of rice. I feel one has chicken breast and one has beef. So I'm going to be trying everything out. I'm sorry about the noise, like it's a struggle. Like we actually came outside, just look at yes. But yeah, stay tuned guys. What's up? So this is the next day and I'm about to go in for a complimentary Mani-Pedi thanks to Mabel and thanks to Rare Strands Hair. Vlog in a vlog. You know. So anyway, let's go in. I'm just going to be showing you guys. I'm sorry I look so tired. I am tired. But yeah, let's go. Hi. Good evening. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Thank you. Wow, this place is pretty. It's really pretty. Shout out to Mabel.
Hey guys.
For being the pluggest plug. So as you guys know, I already have nails, but then they're long overdue for a change. So I'm just going to be dissolving them and I'm going to be doing something very short, like extremely short. I'm not sure what color yet, but I'll probably do something nude because yeah, I'm about this life now. And then I'm also going to be changing my toenails to my normal color, white. So yeah.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistake, babe, won't you come back to me?
Hey, this thing is taking short. I probably had guy, but instead I want to nail something. I'm so tired, bro. I'm having fun.
Babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess. I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're my soul.
Oh my god.
How do you feel? Let me see. It feels so African. Yeah. It's an African style.
And it suits your face, like.
It's perfect. Hey, don't tempt me. Because I will leave here with this.
Price down.
Oh God. I beg. I'm not even. I'm Kenyan.
She's Kenyan. She just came to visit.
What's that?
28.
I don't understand. It's okay, what?
Papa, you're not trying.
I want to give us a gift. How to bargain in Nigeria.
You're miles away. It's safe to say. It's almost.
Hi guys, so we just concluded the Mani-Pedi. Unfortunately, I didn't get my nails done because of time. It's actually 10:26 now, so it's really late, and Emma and I, we have to edit, so yeah, we're not getting our nails done. But yeah, my toes are looking, don't worry, I didn't come with these slippers. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm hella tired. Like, so yeah, we're going to go back to the hotel, edit and post and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to be ending the video here. Yeah, do the outro. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, make sure to share, and make sure to make talk. Make sure to share, make sure to like, and also make sure to subscribe to her channel and my channel. Yeah. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye. Bye.
You disappear.